Alright guys, part 2 of the 2008 Honda Fit. Now I'm doing the ATF flush the filters. This is the fluids. If you're changing your ATF, make sure you get the Honda ATF fluid DW-1, or I think this is the newer one, newer chemicals instead of the ZR1. This one for the Honda are very picky about their ATF fluids, and also this one has some smooth or chemicals additives. If your transmission are starting to slip, if you use this one, it will solve some of the slippage, or it will make it more drivable instead of, you know, strong slippage when you change to the gears. If you have, like, you know, driving down the road, most of the Hondas has the slippage. I'm not sure what's wrong with the Honda transmission, that they have the slippage. So comment below what's your experience, or what's your insight, why a lot of Hondas are getting slippage on the transmission. So I'm using the Honda transmission fluid. Alright guys, let me go set up and then let's do it. Alright guys, so I have to take off the air intake box. So there's like clamp right here. It's the very small one. That size of that, it's 5.5 millimeter, 10, and then I got another 10 down here. I want the whole box to come up because I think the filter is underneath of here. Okay, also take off the connectors, and I think there's a vacuum down here too. Take that off. Two 10 millimeters. Alright guys, so the filter is underneath this battery, so I got no choice. I cannot access. It's right here. You'll see it's like a pure filter style, so I had to take this one off. So if you don't know how to get the radio code, so once you take this one, the radio off, it's not gonna work. So you need to get the radio code. So before you disconnect your battery, get the radio code first. Alright guys, so I think I have to take this plate. So just one bolt. I think it's just one bolt. Gotta take off this harness just to make sure. This one too. Okay, and then these are the filter right here. You'll see it. I still have big hands, so I don't want to take a risk. I want to take off all the parts that it's covering, so it's more easier later on. I think that is 12. Somewhere. Oh, there's one more on the bottom. Hiding. Oh, there's 3. Jeez. Okay, so 3 bolts that holding the plate, and then now I'm free. So one here, over here on the bottom, and then there's one on the side. So now I am free to take the transmission filter right here. First I have to jack the car so I get more access underneath for the drain plug. It's easier for me just to take off the filter now, put everything back, and then drain the system. I think that's the easier way and more faster. my 90 degree. It's good. And then I'm gonna get ready my filter. Okay, these are the new filter. I'm gonna get ready so I don't make a mess. Blend nothing inside. Okay, and then put the clamp. Sige lang na, hindi pa yan. Okay, get my clamp. Let's do the other one. Okay. All right. So now, make sure everything's fine. Put the clamp on, then put my 10. Put everything back. Okay. Put the bolts. And then get the magnetic one. Okay. Get this one. The other one. Get the bottom one. Then put everything back. My battery. Oh, put this one first. All the clamps. Come on. There you go. Okay. Put my battery. get the tray first. Tray. Okay. That. Get my cover. There we go. And get the holder. Put everything back just to make sure, double check. And then next is the air filter box. All right, so get everything, put the box, take this hose right here, air duct, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 10 millimeters, and then the clamp right here. I mean the last part, just to tight the air box clamp. Here's the part number for the filter, and this is the filter look like. It's like a fuel filter, and then there's a specific orientation of this. If you're doing first time, mark it so you know how it looks like. Alright guys, I'm on the bottom one, flushing the ATF. Usually it's this one right here. It's the 3/8. Where's that? It's right here. The 3/8 bolt right here. There you go. That's the 3/8 size. Okay. We try to set up. Left release, right tighty. Okay. Might go flush. Okay. It's the ATF fluid. The dealer told me it's a 3/4. So I'm gonna start 3/4, start a couple of seconds, and then check my fluids because I changed the filter, so it might need a 3.5. Okay. And then you have to clean your drain plug, and then I also get the gasket too. So I'm gonna, the battery is gonna be dead again for my GoPro. I'm going to let it drift and then change the battery. So it's not so much drift now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to install the drain plug and then put the fluids in. There's a torque for this, but what I'm gonna do, since I get a new washer, I'm just gonna tighten them up and it should be good, and then put my fluids now. First I'm gonna start with a 3/4. Alright, so I'm gonna put the whole 3/4. and check underneath just to make sure there's no leak, and bring the car down, take it off the jack stand and run the car, put in the cycle the gears. Okay, that's the first one. I'm on the second one now. Third one, the last one. So I don't know what's the radio code, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna YouTube how to get the serial number, because I know how to get the code. You just need a serial number and then the VIN number. Okay, done with here. Put the cover. Okay, so I'm done putting the what you call this, the fluids. So first, if you seen me, I've done this before for the Corollas. First I have to put in the reverse, neutral, drive, and then the last part, and then go back again slowly like that, and then do it again couple of times, or 3 times, you should be fine. And then do it so it circulate all the fluids before you start, before you put in, or before you test drive, because that is really bad to the transmission. Like there's no fluids getting to their internals, gears and clutch packs, you know, all of the components inside the transmission. So yeah, this one should be good. And thank you again. This is the part 2 of the red Honda Fit. So I hope my video helped you guys a lot. Thank you guys again. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Just hit the click, or just click the subscribe button so you get latest video for my next one. Alright guys, thank you.